Hello students, these are the four exercises from chapter number 24, the doubling principle, from exercise number 91 to 94. Let's start with exercise number 91. Be ready? Start. Fitter, voter, enter, sorter, avoider, thunder, asunder, finder, founder. Next is another, grandmother, grandfather, eccentric, centralize. Next is potter, plotter, spotter, doubter, auditor, painter, rounder, elector, embroider, protractor. Next is lighter, loiters, slender, molder, ringleader, breech loader, leader, leather. Next is somber, timber, rinker, imponderous, slumber, slumbered. Next is malinger, malingered, adventurous, pictures, fractures. Next is enter, entered, wonder, wondered, gender, gentry, gentry, inventor, inventory, tenders. Next is exercise number 92. Be ready. Start. Flatter, thither, aster, voters, enters, neuter. Next is fender, lavender, shedder, feeders, godfathers. Next is central, centralization, decentric, eccentric. Next is bidder, spider, plotter, sector, painter, winter. Next is louder, louter, builder, cylinder, chambermaid, sinker, hunger, hungered, whimpered, conquer. Whimper, conquer. Next is mutter, muttered, wander, wandered, temper, tempered, alter, altered, shatter, shattered. Next is pander, pantry, seconder, secondary, voter, votary, cinder, cindery, enter, entry. Next is exercise number 93. Be ready. Start. Chambers of commerce are to be found in the chief centers of the country. They take in hand the collection of information for both importers and exporters, and they gather in their files wonderful facts and figures dealing with matters of importance to their members. There are usually different sections under different chairmen for different trades, such as the leather trade, and these sections naturally endeavor to centralize their efforts on the particular business in which their members are engaged. The chambers keep a watchful eye upon legislators so as to enter an early protest against any legislation likely to hinder international trade. One chamber took the rather unusual course of acting as trustees for debenture holders of property in a foreign country. The present writer is not aware of another instance of this wonderfully useful service by a chamber of commerce. Next is exercise number 94. Be ready. Start. We have to hand today under last Wednesday's date another copy of the wonderful catalog issued by Crowder and Sanderson. Their motor cycle department rather appeals to the boys in this school, and we have therefore sent word that we should like several extra copies of the catalog. The new leather belt just over a yard in length for use with a waterproof coat seems wonderfully cheap. There is also a rather attractive lamp with silvered reflector suitable for any holder, and this should take well with the boys. These people are enterprising. They are inventors as well as dealers, and therefore we should be able to rely upon their motor fittings being absolutely up to date. So these are the 4 exercises from chapter number 24. आपको कोई भी क्वेश्चन पूछना हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. Okay, students. Thank you.